And testes.
I agree.
What? Ugh. They block me now.
Oh god, you're getting your face a little bit pointed out there, huh?
No, it's just called face surgery. Don't ask me how I live that, because I don't even know myself. That statement can be used two different ways, and it's true for both of them. I tell you, you're going with me. What do we name you? Your name is Bartholomew.
Bartholomew, okay, that's a wonderful of a name.
Bartholomew, yeah.
Okay, goodbye, but... Wait, I forgot the rest of
Bartholomew.
his name. Bartholomew. Whoa!
Shit!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
I like my.
Jesus.
Wait! Shit!
I agree.
Oh yeah! What? Wait! Que?
Qua?
Que?
Oh god. That part looks hard as hell.
What?
Wait! I should not. I should
What a
have shown you.
path.
Yeah.
Wait! Ooh. Wait! Oh, ow, my foot! I got too excited. Oh. Ow. We're both hurting. Why are you crying? Sounds like you're crying, Ben. Fuck. I did it.
You know what? I'll stop moaning for you at this point. So stop moaning. I'll do the rest.
Okay, you want moaning? Got it.
No!
If I die.
No, please don't die. Please don't die. No. It's just constant moaning.
Just like censor it. Like every other time someone says fuck.
No, I am not posting that shit on other websites. No, thank you.
Yes.
No.
Fuck.
Okay, that one sounded so fucking real. Please stop.
I didn't mean to. That one was fully like automatic. I didn't mean to.
That one just
my head
felt
hurts.
100% natural and real.
I
was kinda concerned.
I'm not fingering myself, I swear.